The product zone today, we're gonna unbox and test this out real quick. Let's see what's in the box. So I'm gonna pull that out. Wow. Whoa, look at this. Cool Galaxy. Cushion right here for the ears is very soft, leather, nice. You have the right, R for right, and you have the L for left. And what I'm gonna show you right now, look at the top of your head. Look at this, right? I'm gonna show you this. Check this out. Wow, very soft. So if we look over here, we have where we're gonna plug our mic, we have where the charger, we have the volume, and it looks like we have the power and stuff on. So we're gonna just plug our mic right there, and this thing is flexible. It bends wherever you need it to. That's pretty cool. And we also have a USB and stuff like that. I just put it on right here, just light up red. So we're gonna try to connect the Bluetooth. That's the Bluetooth on. Look at the color though. Look at that. Wow, I gotta tell you, I am impressed with this right here. Or my kid is loving it. How you like this?
It's good, I love it.
Yeah, turn to the side, let daddy see.
Yeah.
Whoa, so it lights up all color. It connected Bluetooth. It's on his tablet right now. So you could hook this up on a PS5, PS4, gaming PC, or even the kid's tablet. It's perfect. They have the volume, they have everything they could control. It's a really good headset right now, and it comes in a color. You have black or white. So if you have two kids, you could choose two different color. It's a good brand, got good review on Amazon too. So we took a chance to get it, and I gotta tell you, so far we love it. Really good headset overall, very comfortable, and it does not fall off. So that's what I love about it. Does it fall off?
No.
Do you like it a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check in the description box for price and details, and get your kids a good, awesome Galaxy. Look at the color. Love it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check description box.